Hey loves, and welcome back. In this video we are going to be unboxing as well as installing and styling this unit from OMGHerHair, and this is the unit that we are going to be working with. This one is a 360 lace wig. This is the first time I'm working with a 360 lace wig, so I'm pretty excited to see how it turns out and to see how I install this. I want to see if this is easy to install, but before I do that, I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. It's a 360 HD lace wig, and again it came in the style Yaki Straight. So this came in the length 20 inches and it has about 180% density, so it is thick and it is long. And I'm gonna put this on for the first time to see what it looks like. Now I did notice that this came pre-plucked and pre-styled as well. Kind of makes it a lot easier for you, right? So I'm just going to put this on and kind of see what we have going on. So instantly I kind of know exactly where to cut. This fits almost perfectly, but I feel like I still need to melt this down. But I do have to cut off this excess lace. I'm gonna do that on my mannequin head, but I just wanted you guys to see what it looks like just straight out of the box on my head without styling, without cutting off the lace. So yeah, let me just take this off and go ahead with cutting off the excess lace. So I went ahead to cut off the excess lace right here. This is what it looks like. I want to quickly just adjust the elastic band. Now this wig did come with an elastic band, meaning that you can adjust the level of tightness that you want. So let me take this back. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, like, it looks so natural on my hair because it was properly plucked, and the way that I cut it was perfect. So it's pretty much like a perfect fit on my head. Get this hair out of my face so that way I can make sure that it is positioned at the right place. I'm going to use my wipes to just wipe off the excess makeup on my forehead. I'm going to use my spray. I'm just pressing the lace. Guys, so I just laid the front. Look at how gorgeous this looks. Look at how beautiful. I haven't even styled it. Look at how melted it is. And now I'm seeing a little bit of that glue residue, so I'm going to just kind of like wipe it off with my wipes and then melt it again. So let's just get this part out of the way so that I can melt this and try my best to melt it down, because this is going to be so freaking hard because I can't see the back of my head. If you do want to style it in a ponytail, make sure you take your time to get it looking right. So So while this is drying down a little bit, I'm going to take the lace and gently just press it on the back of my head. I hope it turns out looking great. I'm gonna take this off. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead to just style this unit. Oh, the way it falls on my face, it's giving me, I don't know what word to use, but I love how like it makes me feel. I'm thinking if I should even create like layers just to add something to it. If you get what I'm saying. So what I want to do to style this hair, I'm going to be using my wax stick. Just do this. Fly away. So I want to just help tame it down a little bit. So I definitely love how this hair looks right now. But something I want to do is to try and frame this hair to my face. I'm kind of contemplating on whether or not I want to do it. I'm just using the powder that I typically use for contouring, and it literally is melting into my skin. I'm not using anything too dramatic, nothing too intense, just a little bit of product to match the lace to my skin. So this is the finished look, and again, this hair is from OMGHerHair, and it's the 360 HD lace frontal wig. It's in the length 20 inches and in the texture Yaki Straight. This is what this hair looks like. I'll leave all the links, all the promo codes down in the description box, so be sure to check it out if you are interested. But this is what this hair is giving. You can definitely straighten this hair out however you want. If you want it more silky, you can do that, but this is what, you know, this is what the hair is giving. It flows, it's beautiful, and it has volume. It is 180% density, and I definitely love what I'm looking like. More importantly, I love the frontal, guys. This is HD, and it's almost invincible, and I love how it turned out. I'm loving how it looks. Like, I'm looking at you guys I'm looking at the lens, but I'm also looking at myself in the mirror, and it looks so good. Let me know what your thoughts are. Again, you can curl this hair, you can crimp it, you can straighten it, you can style it however you want. It came in the center part, so it's left for you to decide how you want to style it and rock it at the same time. Again, I'll leave all the links in the description box, so be sure to check it out. Thanks again, OMGHerHair, for sending me this gorgeous unit, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.